Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find your Android smartphone when you forget where you have kept it. So without further more delay, let's begin. So for this, what you need to do is just firstly go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, just search for one application name as Find My Phone by Whistle or Clap. Just search this application and you'll see a tons of application, right? So here you can see one application, Find My Phone by Whistle or Clap by Color Sky Studio. Just tap on it. So just tap on install to install this application firstly. So wait for a few seconds until the installation is done. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. To open this application, you will see this kind of user interface. Wait for a few more seconds. So it will ask you some permissions. Just allow all the permissions. So it will give you some instructions, what to do, what are the options for. So you can see here below it is instructing on the left side. Just swipe this one, it will turn green. So your application is activated. So you can see this kind of user interface, right? So now whenever you talk or whistle anything, or you can choose a clap. So once you select a clap, and if you clap on it, so it will let you know. So you can deactivate it again just by sliding this back. So now let me show you by going to the configurations. So here you will get some tones to select it. You can select a different sounds, the police siren, cats, even a siren. So there are tones there select, or you can select from your internal storage. You can select your respective tones also by selecting the first options. So this is how you can find out your Android smartphone when you forget where you have kept it. So definitely a cool applications that you should definitely try it out. And if you have a habit of forgetting where you have kept your Android smartphones, then definitely a very useful software for you. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.